Everybody sees this you. I'm the one that lost the view.
Oh, good video.
Everybody says we're through. I hope you haven't said it too. So where do we go from here with all this fear in our eyes? And where can love take us now? We've been so far down, we can still touch the sky if we crawl till we can walk again. Then we'll run until we're strong enough to jump. Then we'll fly until there is no end. So let's crawl, crawl, crawl back to love. Yeah, back to love. Yeah. Why did I change?
Alex's car steaming. Inside there's Alex and Brittany. And it's steaming inside. Wonder what happened inside. I wonder what happened. No, I say cheese. Oh my god, this is Alex's car and it's shaking. I wonder what's going on in there. It's shaking. Holy crap, it's shaking.